In this video, we're going to be learning how to connect MATLAB to CoppeliaSIM. It's going to be the first of a video series about creating a CoppeliaSIM robot color sorter using MATLAB as well. So in this video, we're assuming that you already have MATLAB. We've got a blank script open in our main folder. And we've also got a blank CoppeliaSIM scene open from the same folder. The first thing we need is we need a bunch of files from the CoppeliaSIM installation that are the remote API binding files. So we open the CoppeliaSIM package, the downloaded contents. We go to Contents, Resources, Programming, Remote API Bindings, MATLAB, and we choose rum api.m and remote api proto.m, and we copy those and we paste them in our main folder. The second thing that we need is, if we go back, we click on library, Mac, and we click on this. We also copy it and we paste it in our main folder. So now we're ready to write our main MATLAB script. We start off by clearing everything. Then we specify the remote API object. The library name, which matches this one. And then we make sure any previous connections are finished. And then now we're ready to start our connection. We first specify the port name, and the server name, and then the port number. Now this can be any random number, as long as it matches the one in CoppeliaSIM. Then we set this variable to be true, and this to be true as well. And then we're going to be attempting to connect for 5 seconds before saying that it's failed if the connection did not successfully happen. Now these lines are sufficient for the connection to happen, but we still need to make sure that it's been successful. So we're going to start by saying if id less than 0, so if it's a negative number, if the result here is a negative number, then we're going to display a message that the connection has failed. And we're going to delete the vrep object. And we're going to return from the MATLAB script. Otherwise, so assuming it has been successful, we're going to print the connection is successful message. So connection, then digit number to remote API server is open. Indent, and the digit is the ID number of the successful connection. And that's it from the MATLAB side. So now if we go to the CoppeliaSIM side, we need to create an associated child script, non-threaded in Lua, under any of the objects. And in the function syscall initialization, we need to say result equals to sim remote API dot start. And here we also specify the port number. So this is the number that needs to match the one on the MATLAB side. And we can close this script. So now if you run this, and then we run this, it says connection is open. Now let's assume this is not running, this is stopped. And if we attempt to run again, now the connection has failed. And it's told us that after 5 seconds, after attempting for 5 seconds. Now this is it for this part of the video. In the next video, we're going to be working on setting up the scene on CoppeliaSIM. If you have any questions regarding this, you can put them in the comments. Thank you very much.